My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that comes from the site Ladybugprotection.store. Ladybugprotection.store is a deceptive site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. This website displays pretty scary and faulty messages that try to deceive you and trick you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. We strongly advise that you don't ever interact with all these deceptive pop-ups because they may force you into downloading the programs that are not really decent and sometimes even malicious. If you see these pop-ups by Ladybugprotection.store, at first glance it looks as if they try to help you, but in reality, as I said, their real purpose is to deceive you and to trick you into downloading such shady programs. So, don't interact with these pop-ups, don't trust their deceptive content. We recommend you to carefully research the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. If you find them here, get rid of them. Finally, to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program and begin scanning and researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.